Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can find friends in Google Chat. It's pretty simple. So if you want to find friends in Google Chat, after you open Google Chat, at the top where it says search, click on it. Now once you click on search in chat, at the top you need to search for the person using their email. You have to use their email in order to search for them, alright? So if I want to search for one of my friend, I'm going to write his email and it should show me like his account over here if the email matches. So I searched for him, and as you guys can see, a person with this email did appear over here at the bottom, so I can just click on it and I can chat with him just like this. So that is basically how you guys can find your friends in Google Chat. You need to search for them using their email. If the email is incorrect, no one is going to show up, or it's just going to show you a random wrong person. But it's pretty hard to not find a person using their email because one email is only accessible to one person. So you just have to search for them using their email, and that's how you guys can find friends in Google Chat. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.